Hey y'all, Chad again with the Shade Above here in North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Today we're on site for a job that we did several months back for Insolroll exterior 2800 series with cable hold downs instead of the side channels. This was strictly for a sun issue. It was not for weather issue or trying to enclose a living space. We did these motorized with Somfy motors. As you can see, they run with a cable guide on the side, and you can see how bright the sun gets on the furniture when I raise these things all the way up. So here we are on the back side of the shade. We attached them to the wrought iron fencing that's here. So very taut cables. And you can see we did a housing that's the same color as the soffit areas of the house. We had columns that were on an angle, so we sort of offset it a little bit. And you can see how this cable is covered in nylon. You know, it runs in there and it's really tight, not a lot of wind, not a lot of flex in that when I'm hitting it. That 2800 series, when it's done properly, is an excellent exterior product from Myrtle.